Hey, welcome to the channel. Van Camping Woody here, my little buddy Nebo. Today, I'm going to be showing y'all, I'm going to check out a couple other camp spots here. I have found that there are a total of 4 camping spots, free camping spots here, just west of Meeteetse, Wyoming. And I've been staying here at the lower Sunshine Reservoir for the last 14 days, and it's time to move on, move to the next one. So I'm going to see what the distance is. I think the rule is you got to go within 20 miles, 25 miles to your next one. So I'm going to go over and check the upper Sunshine Reservoir out today, which is about 9 miles away from where I'm at. And then I'm going to go come back past here and go to Shoshoni National Forest, where they call the Wood River Valley area. So we'll check it out. Y'all join me and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, folks, I've made my way about 5 miles away from lower Sunshine Reservoir to the gravel road going into the upper Sunshine Reservoir. So it's about 2 miles back here from what my GPS says. And you'll see the mountain views and then some photos going in, and enjoy the video. We'll catch you soon. Well, it's not too bad of a road coming in here. Can get dusty, folks coming out like a bat out of Hades and get dusted up. But there's the reservoir. That turn right there to the right there is Sunshine Reservoir Road. You make it right there, go down to where the 2 boat ramps are at. But actually, I'm gonna go around to the eastern side of it and see what's up yonder, and go from there. This is it. Enjoy the rest of the video. All right, folks, this is the upper Sunshine Reservoir. y'all take a look. This is a rough, rugged road right here that I come in on. If you don't go towards the boat ramp, you continue on straight, brings you across this right here. A little jagged. And there's some type of historical sign up there I'm going to stop and get a photo of. But this is the upper Sunshine Reservoir. That was the Sunshine Reservoir. I've made my way back 9 miles back to Wood River Road, where I went back past Lower Sunshine Reservoir, and I'm here on Wood River Road, and look at here what I wasn't expecting these at all. Tatanka buffaloes out here grazing in the oil field, out here pumping oil. So as I said, I'm on Wood River Road heading towards Shoshoni National Forest. We'll catch y'all there. Enjoy the video. Here we go. We're in Shoshoni National Forest. Just come into the area here. Heading down here to the first campground. We're in the Wood River Valley area. And the first campground is called Wood River Campground. So we'll enjoy the view. Go down here and see what's going on. And then we'll see you on the next side. Okay, I'm back about a half a mile from the campground, and this is a spot that's wide open just after the trailhead in the entrance of the Shoshoni National Park, or National Forest. This is what it looks like. So you see this scene right here. Look at that. And that view or what? There's a forestry ranger now. He may be going open up the campground. I'm gonna wait and see. Well, I may go on and check out more of the forest here. This is pretty cool, isn't it? Overcast a little bit. Good thing you can see the campground gate from here. Well, let's see what happens. It's on the other side. Hey, what'd y'all think about that? Those are my choices. Turn this off here. Upper Sunshine Reservoir is just like the lower. It's dispersed around the water's edge, or around the reservoir. I think there were more people at the upper than there was the lower, where I've been at for the past 14 days. But as I said, it's time to move. Same thing up there at the upper. You got 14 days you can stay. Getting back down to Shoshoni National Forest at the Wood River Valley area, there's 2 campgrounds down there. There's Wood River Campground, which is the first one you come up on. It was closed. The ranger didn't open it, so I drove back down to the second campground, which was Brown Campground. It was closed, but he was there having his lunch, and I did talk with him for a little bit. Real nice guy, informative. He told me that over the weekend they was planning on opening one of the 2 camps. Funding this year wasn't going to allow them to have both of them open. He didn't know which one it is that they're going to open. I said, well, maybe the biggest one was Brown Camp, and it's closer to the water. Was pretty good. Both camps do have fire rings, picnic tables, bear food bins, for you protect your food. I didn't see no bears, but now I do have a choice. Which of the 2 I'm gonna go to? So I'll go back over to the lower and get things all situated, and then on the next video y'all find out what my decision was. So that's the video. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down there and the little bell, and let you know when I upload a new video. I appreciate each and every one of y'all with all my heart. I really do. Welcome to you new ones. I'm glad to have you here on the channel. So y'all be safe, stay healthy, safe travels, and we'll catch you on the next video.